Since the early 1900s, Snickers has gone from just a candy bar to being everyone's top favorite chocolate. Created by Frank Mars, this chocolate bar has become a favorite around the world despite having a shockingly simple formula. So, how do they do it? The story of Snickers begins in 1930 with Frank Mars, a man with a passion for candy making. Frank Mars, born in 1883 in Minnesota, turned his childhood activity of making candy with his mother into a lifelong passion. After high school, he started his own candy business with his wife Ethel, operating right from their kitchen. Their hard work led to the establishment of the Morrow Bar Company in Minnesota, which later evolved into Mars Incorporated. The couple's first successful chocolate was the Milky Way bar in the 1920s, leading to significant business growth. Later, they spent 3 years developing Snickers, which was finally introduced in 1930. The process of making it included hand slicing and dipping each bar in chocolate, which was eventually modernized by machinery. Frank decided to name this after his favorite horse, Snickers. This marked the birth of the Snickers bar, a blend of nougat, caramel, and peanuts, all wrapped in delicious chocolate. But what exactly goes into this delicious treat? It starts with the careful selection and preparation of key ingredients, which are peanuts, nougat, caramel, and chocolate. The peanuts are roasted to perfection, ensuring the rich crunch and flavor. The nougat, a soft and fluffy base, is then layered with caramel and topped with a generous amount of peanuts. Finally, this delicious assembly is coated with smooth milk chocolate. Originally, Snickers was a simple yet satisfying mix of basic ingredients. But as time passed, Snickers evolved. Over the years, while the core ingredients remained the same, slight tweaks were made to adapt to changing tastes and health guidelines. From being a single product, it branched out into various forms. The classic Snickers was joined by newer versions like Snickers Mini, perfect for a quick bite, and a Snickers Dark Chocolate, offering a bolder taste. In addition to its classic ingredients, Snickers has also introduced variations like almond, peanut butter, and dark chocolate to cater to diverse preferences. The newer versions have added a twist to the original recipe, offering unique flavors while maintaining the Snickers essence. These variations ensured that Snickers continued to capture the hearts of different taste preferences around the world. Now let's talk nutrition. A standard Snickers bar packs energy, with its caloric value rooted primarily in sugar and fats. It provides a quick source of energy, thanks to its carbohydrate content, while the peanuts add a dose of protein. Because it has such a high calorie content, most advertisements show it as a treat for athletes, and it even originally went by the name Marathon in Europe. Remember how Frank Mars and his wife would make each Snickers bar by hand? Well, now the high-speed production lines can produce thousands of bars every hour. Each step in the production line is meticulously monitored and each bar subjected to strict quality control checks to maintain quality and consistency. Automation plays a significant role, with machines handling tasks like mixing ingredients, forming the bars, and even checking for imperfections. The bars are then cooled, cut into precise sizes, and wrapped in the iconic Snickers packaging. Packaging is another critical step, where bars are individually wrapped and then packed into larger boxes for distribution. The efficiency of this system ensures that Snickers bars reach you fresh and in perfect condition, maintaining the brand's reputation for quality. You've probably seen Snickers' iconic "You're not you when you're hungry" advertisements. The innovative campaign used a simple yet powerful idea. Hunger can change you, often leading to humorous or exaggerated situations. Featuring various celebrities who transformed into different characters when hungry, these ads were both amusing and memorable. The campaign cleverly communicated the message that a Snickers bar can help bring you back to your normal self. Its success has left a lasting imprint on the world of advertising, much like the simple yet delicious chocolate itself. Snickers has journeyed from a simple confection to a globally recognized brand, representing moments of comfort and energy boosts. Behind each bar of Snickers lies a complex process of combining simple ingredients. Similarly, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups also mix basic ingredients for a delightful treat. Click here to find out more about how Reese's Cups are made.